Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sibu and today I will be restoring two old watches. If you are new here, welcome. Please consider subscribing, viewing my old videos and leaving me comments over there. So in today's video, I am going to be including measurements and overall costs. So I'm not going to waste too much time. Let's get right into it. I thrifted these chairs from Gumtree and they were going for 450 Rand and they were basically screaming for a DIY project. I started by removing the screws from the seat and then I used a small knife to remove the old staples. Once I removed the plastic at the base of the seat, it revealed a crack, and I suspect it's because they used particle wood. So many staples to remove. And you know what? I used the wrong tool here. I ended up breaking this knife. So if you have a staple remover, use that. I was finally able to remove the old fabric and reveal the foam, which I thought I would reuse. So what I did was use the same small knife before it broke, obviously, and I cut out the foam, washed it, and then I left it overnight to dry. I took this wood piece to Builder's Warehouse where they cut the exact dimensions for me. And back at home, I waited for this foam to dry and then I glued it onto the new piece. I repeated the same process with the chair that isn't broken. I removed the old screws, I removed the seat, removed the staples, and eventually removed the old fabric. I wiped down the chair frames with water, dishwashing liquid, and an old rag. If you're wondering if this is a base of a shopping bag, then you're right. Guys, I'm so short of supplies that I use anything that I can find in the home. So I use this as my paint tray. And the paint that you see here is an acrylic paint. I think the technique I'm using here is called dry brushing. So the aim here is not to cover every imperfection, but just to give the chair a fresher, newer look. It is now time to cover these babies up with a polyester wadding, which gives the chair, some protection and also a little bit of comfort. I used a stapler gun to secure the wadding onto the chair, and the seat that you're looking at here is the one that wasn't broken. If you remember, I mentioned that I had broken the knife, so removing the staples was quite the task. So I ended up just cutting around the staples. That's why you see that fabric still on the seat. And now for my favorite part, covering the seats up with fabric. I was looking for something shaggy and stylish, something like this. But Fiona's fabrics did not have the color that I was looking for, so I settled for this fabric over here. I made sure to pull the fabric as tightly as possible and then staple it down. I followed the same process with the second seat. And now let's take a look at what these chairs looked like before I decided I'm going to make them my project. And ta-da! This is what my chairs look like. I'm so happy with how they turned out. I hope you enjoyed this video. I appreciate you taking the time to watch it. Please do subscribe, leave me a comment, hit the notification bell so that you know when I upload. Guys, have yourselves a fabulous day. Until next time, good friends.